Hello and welcome back to BaseballWristbandSigns.com. What we're going to cover today is conditional formatting for your pitching cards. Your pitcher cards, you might want to have certain colors on your wrist card for the pitchers and on your wrist card for your coach's card for yourself as well. So what we're going to do is go in and conditional format the pitcher cards. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the black and white card. This is the black and white pitcher card. You do have one that says, if you go back to the table of contents, pitcher adult color card, and this one already has some conditional formatting in it. So if you use just fastball middle, fastball up, fastball in, curveball, V is the V, cutter, CT, knuckleball, K, slider. If you kind of use those things, you can go ahead and use the conditional formatting that already exists. To get to conditional formatting, you're going to click the Home tab. You're going to go over to Styles and click where it says Conditional Formatting, and you're going to go down to, for this color tab, you're going to click Manage Rules. It says No Rules. That's because I made a mistake and did not select the area. You're going to select the whole area you're trying to format. I'm going to manage rules now, and you can see that it's got all the rules that are in there, and it's got all the code names that are currently being used there. So you've got anything with an F we made red, anything with a V, which we called the curveball a V, it's blue. If I wanted to make a slider a different color, and it contains SL, I just click here, double click, I would go to it says specific text containing SL for a slider, format. Once I click format, this will pop up here, and we're going to use the fill color, and we will just say that's going to be green. And when we click OK and then OK again, you'll see that, and then apply, and then OK, and you'll see now all the sliders are green. So what we're going to do here is you can use this as your conditional formatting. If you wanted to go in and change how you conditional format it, meaning you want to change the color or anything like that, you would just follow the steps I just showed you. Go into conditional formatting, manage rules, and then go in and say I don't want my fastballs to be red, I'd rather them be yellow. Click it, and now click OK and apply it, and now they're all going to be yellow. So fastballs are for our heaters, so we like to make those red, so I'm going to put that on there again as red. Apply it, and you'll see it change back. So starting from scratch here, we're just going to go to the pitcher adult card, and I recommend you do it in the color card so you don't mess with this, but it's totally up to you. So in this black and white card here, you'll see the same card, it's just not colored at all. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is go to where it says BaseballWristbandSigns.com. You can leave that there if you want, or you can type in your team name. So once you do that, you should see the team name pops up on all three things. So whatever your team name is will now be on your wristbands. If you want to make this, if your team is blue and you want to go ahead and make this a blue cell, you can go in and make it blue. So you can really do whatever you want with that from a traditional formatting standpoint. What we're going to do next is go and highlight all the cells on the cards, and then we're going to go to conditional formatting, and we're going to click on New Rule, and we are going to choose Format Cells that contain, and we don't want it to say between, we want it to be equal to, so specific text you want to go to specific text containing, and we want to go ahead and say that we're going to make all fastballs. So all the fastballs have an F in it, and it's the only thing that has an F. So this allows you to make one rule. So we're going to say specific text containing an F. We're going to format that in red. We're going to make the font stay regular black, and click OK, and then click OK again, and you will see all the F's or fastballs go to that color. Go to the color red. Now we want to make curve balls be a different color, so I'm going to go to conditional formatting. I'm going to click new rule, cells that contain, change the cell value, specific text containing, and we're going to make that V, and then I'm going to format that, and we're going to make our curve balls be blue. Click OK. Click OK again, and you'll see all of the curve balls turn blue. We've got some knuckleballs on here, so we're going to go ahead and click conditional formatting, click a new rule, format cells, specific text containing, K for knuckleball, and we're going to make that yellow. Click OK, click OK, and now you've got all your knuckleballs yellow. It looks like we have a cutter on here, so we're going to go in and new rule, cells that contain, cell value, specific text containing, and we're going to make this a CT, and we're going to make that green. Click OK, click OK, and now there's your green. And then let's go ahead and change the color of the slider as well, just to give it a color as well. So we're going to click format only that contain, cell value, specific text, and that's SL, format, and we will just make that purple. So click OK. Click OK, and now you've got everything colored in except the wheel play. So that is how you conditional format it, and it's really simple. You don't have to color it at all if you don't want to. It's totally your call, but a lot of coaches like to go ahead and conditional format it. And the great part is that once you randomize this, so if you go in and use the randomizer, so I'm going to pitch card randomize, I'm going to go follow the directions and highlight cells or columns A through D. I'm going to sort it, and when you go back to the adult card that we just did, you'll see that everything's moved around, but the colors stay the same. So it's a really cool way to color your card, and make sure that your pitchers and catchers know exactly what pitch you want when you want them. Thanks for watching.